Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in Minecraft. Item duplication refers to various methods players use to create extra copies of valuable resources. These techniques often involve exploiting specific game mechanics or glitches that arise within the game's code. While many of these methods are eventually patched by developers, new ones can sometimes be discovered. We'll go over some general approaches and important things to keep in mind when exploring these techniques. There are several common approaches to item duplication that have been observed over time. One category involves leveraging specific in-game mechanics, such as the precise timing of redstone circuits or the interaction of certain blocks like pistons. Another set of methods might exploit server lag or the way inventories are saved and loaded. Some techniques even involve dropping items and quickly exiting the game, hoping to trick the system into saving the item in two places. Let's consider a conceptual example, like piston-based duplication. This often involves placing the item you wish to duplicate within a specific block, perhaps near a sticky piston. The key is to activate the piston at a very precise moment, often just as the item is interacting with the block or being dropped. If timed correctly, the game might register the item in two locations, effectively creating a duplicate. This technique usually demands careful setup and exact timing. It's really important to keep a few things in mind when considering item duplication. Many of these methods are considered exploits and are frequently patched by the game's developers in updates. Using glitches can sometimes lead to unexpected issues, like corrupted game saves or unstable gameplay. Therefore, we strongly recommend always backing up your Minecraft world before attempting any duplication techniques to avoid losing your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.